Hey there guys, welcome to another episode of Keeping It Reet. Just down at Dr. Drift, just got here, just made it. Supposed to be here like 2 hours ago, but you get that in the big job. Anyway, got the 34, we're going to start with Dan's car, all the upgrades. Hope you've had those guesses in, what power figures we may be getting. I'm going to pass you on Dan the man, and we've got Michael, who's his tow man for the day, and Reet Vibes, and Dr. Draft, just taking a dump, so I'll be back in a second. So run us through what we did on your chat review.
So they started with cooler piping all the way around. So it was like 10 silicons, and now it's literally there's 4 silicons in total. So you got one at the inner cooler, one there, one here, and one there. Also welded an elbow here. So one of the most common cooler pipes on these kind of manifolds to pop off is this one when it gets hot or they melt. So they've extended that out. Corey's also beaded all the pipes so they won't pop off.
Exactly what you want.
Yeah.
We've got the Chang hyper gear. This is pretty much like a mad plug today because we've both got the hyper gears. You sort of see the logos there a little bit, not much. But we've both got the T51R modded one.
And the other thing is I had problems at Reet Suri, it doesn't work with oiling. I have an accumulator which wasn't working because I had a thermostat that feeds it. So they pulled that out and I've got rid of it.
There you go.
You all know me.
You all know me. That's the doctor of the draft. So I got the smoke tester, plug her in, see how many leaks Corey's done in his welds, and plug them up a bit with the JB weld. Nah. And then yeah, we're good to, I can't remember what else we check. We'll see. The essential of every time we come here.
Every workshop should use one, I can't believe that no one does. Do you want me to take out? So basically we spent ages looking around here and we're like, oh, injector. It turns out, this little boy. It's pretty obvious. So last time we made about 350 kilowatts at the wheels. On a roller dyno with a bit of wheel spin issues though, so don't know.
What are you aiming for now?
About the same with more response or more, because whatever he wants to make, I don't know. Hopefully we don't see the inside of the motor. So we're going to let the tyres down, apparently to 25 PSI, strap it down and re-inflate them up so they push into the rollers. And that should eliminate the problem we had last time, which means whatever it reads will be accurate.
So the exhaust is hitting the tail shaft, so we're going to take the exhaust off and put it back in the dyno and see how she goes.
Dan's car. Well,
Hang on,
as you can
it's blurry.
Fuck you.
Ah, you're good.
Dan just bailed because, as you saw, his clutch was slipping like hell. I think it's had that clutch for like 4 years. Direct Clutch Industries one, so it's probably a bad time. Just unfortunate it's right now with a couple of days from the event. The good man that I am, I've given him my spare clutch that I reckon the 33 will probably need after 10 minutes of driving Reet to Reet, knowing all our drift luck. But yeah, he's going to swap that in, and then he'll probably come back tomorrow. But the Master's pretty much got his tune safe enough to send if he wanted to.
Maybe.
Oh, maybe. Yeah. Now I got this nug on here, ready to send. Pizza time. Tradition to get Godfather's pizza when we're over the side. It's fucking amazing. Give me that pizza. Strong. First of all, Dr. Sebastian. So he did the straps loose on purpose to make me feel like my car clutch was slipping like out of there. You fucking need the light. Anyway, that turbo sounds amazing. Impact the bolt in.
Yeah, it should be it.
What's what?
Custom fit the bung, what is it?
O2.
O2 sensor.
Bungless O2.
The bungless dump pipe. Because Corey thought we didn't need it. Next minute we need it. So we tapped that 1mm thread. Now we're good to go. Couldn't get a good reading at the back, so ready to send again. Let's go. 400 kilowatt. What happened?
That's pretty good actually. Nice work, Jake. Almost the same power curve at 5 pound less,
Nice.
except for the end where we lost boost.
White. Yep, the white one is the old. Green one is the new. Yeah, that's the boost up there. Much lower curve and drop it off. Haven't played with it yet. Good result. So, didn't already see. It made 340. An insane response.
Yeah, and that was...
Let the boss go over it. He knows what I'm talking about.
Yeah, so like, it was doing 338, 339, 338, like back to back to back, like no heat soak issues at all. Like it's just stupid power for that housing.
Yeah.
I wasn't expecting it.
So we did run out of fuel. I don't know if we went over it, but I brought we ran out of time, didn't put the Turbo Smart fuel pressure reg. I think it's a rising rate reg, I don't know.
Listen fitting.
Yeah, I brought it because I was like, we'll just chuck it in if we need it. And then I opened it up and no fittings inside it, so we couldn't hook it up. And now, of course, we're running out of fuel a little bit. But
I don't want to squeeze the factory reg anymore. It might split.
Yeah, we've done the old. If you watch the other video, we've squeezed the fuel pressure reg to like max out the max them out a bit more. What's that light pointing straight down? Straight up. Look at it. The triple clutch. Hey, turbo now. I said, yeah, no silly things. He's like, yeah, no silly stuff. Next one, that.
Didn't even think about it.
Stanky.
That's what yours will do.
Oh yeah, that alignment's junk.
Yeah, bad.
Good. Alright, that's it. Thanks for tuning in. To finish off the day, we chucked Jordan's car in the dyno and have a look here. 55.8 kilowatt. So I still have much to live up to, but we gave it a shot with our 340.
620,000 Ks on the clock and 75 kilowatt standard at the flywheel. That's fucking German engineering, man. That's good.
It's not bad. It's not bad. Still junk. Anyway, that wasn't me doing the skids, so forget about that.
That wasn't me either.
That wasn't him either. That was some other 34. If you guessed the correct kilowatts, congratulations. And until next time.